What's up guys, Mr. Fox here. So today I designed and printed this handle, floating handle for my GoPro camera, and I'm doing some tests. I will do some jumps from that tree and let's hope it survives. So I checked some designs available online on Maker World and other places, and most of the stuff that people make are with these like three prongs where you would attach the GoPro here, but these snap off really easily right here at the connection point. That's why I didn't go with this design, and I designed my own with this sliding mount, and you can make these much stronger.
Oh, that was nice. Wow.
Alright guys, so the first tests are positive. The thing floats and it's a bright color. You can see it from quite far away. So yeah, it's a success. So far so good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. If you also want to learn how to design your own parts and 3D print them, then I have a course for you, and you will find the link in the description. See ya!